Hey everybody! So welcome to my video. So today I was going to be doing a is it worth it video on this contraption I got from a bargain mart. I might go back and see if I can get another one because I lost the little rubbery things that hold the makeup brushes to clean them. So I was gonna make a video on that, and obviously I don't have everything, so that idea is tanked. So I was like, what should I do? I still want to film because this is a really cute fall look. By the way, if you guys want a tutorial on how I do my fall looks, leave a like. But I'm drinking a sangria, by the way. So I decided I was going to make a video on a must-buy haul since it's Sephora VIB. Everyone's trying to see what's best to get on sale. Everyone's seeing favorite items. Sorry, my sister's chihuahua's literally freaking out. The VIB sale's happening right now. You know, the 10, 15, 20% off. And I just kind of wanted to go through some really good items that I found personally that I enjoy. Some items I generally avoid purchasing, and then I would also things that I've bought and never bought again. So we're gonna do that today in this video instead. Okay, so first item of business, we're going to start with things that I need to restock on. So here are 4 items that I really enjoy. Please ignore my nails. 4 items I really enjoy that I feel like I need to restock on. So for number 1, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I had fluctuated between that and the Brow Wiz for a hot minute. For a while I was like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna religiously stick to the Dip Brow because I feel like it is better. But then I started doing really bulky brows, and then I noticed that and I was like, oh, these brows are not working for me. I also do get the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I think that one works really well too. I kind of pair them together. One should have the clear brow gel, it's so good. I'm gonna have a picture of everything in here to show you guys. Second of business, so I own 6 angled brushes. This is such a good brush, but after a while it gets ugly. See, I have to clean my brushes. I know all my Twitter friends are gonna come for me, but they're super afraid and we don't want that. I've been going in between that and the Anastasia number 7B, and I feel like the number 7B honestly holds up a bit better. Number 3, I love the Drunk Elephant Slay makeup remover. Now hear me out. A lot of people are like, oh, the Clinique one works just as fine, but hear me out. The Clinique one, I have to do 3 or 4 go-throughs and then makeup remover. Versus the Slay, I do 2 and then some makeup remover and everything's gone. I do a few pass-throughs just because I notice around my eyes, because these are the hardest areas to get makeup out of for me. I'm not sure for everyone else, but for me personally, it's so hard to get it out of there. And whenever I get the Drunk Elephant Slay mask right underneath, it just works like a charm. Number 4, because I'm looking through my Sephora list and I know I've been literally rebuying. So this rebuy item is the Too Faced Spiced Rum or Chai. I use both. For the spiced rum, I run out of that so quickly. I have it here. Here are my scraps. Do you see that? Those are my scraps. Live and die for that foundation. Another item that I want to get, Fenty Espresso contour stick. People don't speak on her sticks a lot, and it makes me a little panini pressed because they're really good. I love them. Whenever I do my makeup with them, I always look super duper flawless, super duper my skin is makeup who, you know, it's I only put on chapstick and mascara. I don't know what you're talking about. yeah, so here are going to be some items that I don't necessarily feel like I personally would be picking up again. For starters, so here's a product I probably will not be purchasing again. For Sally Skin Tune Blur. A lot of people really like this. I literally, when I got this, like, I kid you not, hopefully it doesn't like act out. Like, I hope it acts out for the camera because it like acts out for me every day. So when I got it, it literally opened like this. Fine, cool, whatever. But when I went to like, you know, do what everyone does, like that, you know what it did for me? It literally like did this. Like, you see how that compares to that, and it was like the same. So that's how it had been. Like, that's the first time in like the 900 times I've swatched this that it's actually come out. Another product, like, you can tell if I don't like a product because it'll like be so full. Here's another product I have that I don't necessarily feel like I would ever buy again. This is the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. Ooh. Here, back here. I'll hold it back here. The packaging's cute. The packaging was cute in the box as well. It smells like watermelon. Plus, great. Love that. But it literally, and I mean it so honestly, doesn't work. I don't know what it's necessarily supposed to do, but it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. And I know it because I can feel it. And I'm just like, this doesn't feel like it, chief. Like, I'm not liking this product. So it's definitely on my list of no buy. Anyway, so I have one more thing that I plan on repurchasing. The Hourglass Mineral Veil. I'm almost out, but this is like so good. Like, I actually really enjoy it for my skin. I believe with that product you should do very light, like, pat in first and then go into sweep if you even want to use it for that. I use a different powder to sweep because that's too expensive for me to be wasting. Back to things I'm not going to buy again. So the Youth for People serum actually is something that I would buy again if it was cheaper. I a while back, and can I just tell you, I accidentally spilled half of the bottle, so I wish the applicator was a little different. Hey, so now that's kind of my list of no buys, my list of what I'm going to buy, and like what hasn't and has worked for me. Those are like those, and then for things that I plan on buying in the future, we're gonna get into that. So I really have been staring down the Huda Beauty retrograde palette, Mercury retrograde palette. It's $67 USD. I want it. It's expensive, but it looks like it's worth it. Never had a Huda, like, I have a lot of Huda palettes, so I don't feel like a lot of her products ever steer me wrong. I hope that she makes a mini of the retrograde palette just for people that want a taste of it but don't want the whole thing. I want to look into getting some sheet masks from Sephora. Try the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I've heard some good reviews from, I think, Arnell. The Norvina False Lashes. I've been eyeing, like, I'm going to put a picture, but like, I've been eyeing the Norvina Volume 2. So I think I'm definitely going to go in and purchase a Volume 2. Right now, the Sephora Pro Editorial Palette is on sale for $34. I want both of those palettes though. They both look really lovely. I thought about getting the minis because they look like they differ in colors than the regular big ones, and they're also $29, which is the same price as the Huda minis, which I always splurge on the smaller stuff instead of getting the bigger stuff. But I think I benefit more from getting the Norvina Volume 2 just because it looks more extensive. There's a bunch of colors and it looks like it's worth the $60 for it. And right now, if I got it on sale, $60 with 20% off, I would get like a good what, $12 off? Oh yeah, let's see, the Natasha Denona's on sale for $12.50. Oh, we ain't gonna get Natasha Denona that cheap anymore. Ooh, another thing I do want to buy is I definitely want to go ahead and get the Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. It just looks like it would be a great product to use. I've heard a lot of things about Sunday Riley's, so maybe I'll have a Sunday Riley video. It's 12 a.m. Please excuse me. Maybe I'll have a Sunday Riley video sometimes, whenever. Let me tell you guys what's in my basket. So I'm getting the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow in the shade 4.5. I'm getting the Drunk Elephant Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I'm getting the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I usually use Ebony, but as you can see, my eyebrows look a little dark, which it works, but I just want them to be a bit lighter because my natural hair is a bit lighter. I'm getting a new number 7B brush, and hopefully I won't lose it. I'm getting the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion from Clinique. I'm getting the mini, the 1.75. So I'm gonna get all of these goodies. This is like my Sephora anti-haul / what to buy / things I will buy / things I won't buy anymore video. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you finished through this whole entire video, I'm so sorry that I sound bland. I'm a little tired right now, so it could be why. And sorry I didn't show you guys this contraption. If I find the rest of it, I will make a video on it, but and like how to use it, and like if I can find it on Amazon or anything. But till then, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. And if you're of age, mix some port wine with some a little splash of Coca-Cola, and you'll make yourself a sangria like this. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful night. Okay, bye.